What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and you join me on a very gloomy, sad Saturday morning. About 4:30 a.m. we woke up to embark on this wonderful, wonderful conquest across the country. I'm sick and tired of this Houston weather. It always rains on Saturdays with Cars and Coffee, so we decided to change that and put out some banger content for you. Let's go to LA.
Let's go to LA.
You know there's only one way to do that, right?
How is it?
Put your hand right over that thing. And now we are in sunny California, baby. Andrew, thank you for that quick transition.
You're welcome.
We are here at the Lamborghini Newport Beach show. Everyone's starting to leave, but I've heard a couple cool things are here, and my friends are here. So we're gonna swing by, check what's up, see all my buddies, and get this day rolling, baby.
Especially y'all, I don't see him. Look for a huge Asian guy, baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
Slowly but surely. This is some special edition 650. It says Le Mans on the side. It has the louvers, all this carbon accents, the wings carbon. That's pretty sick. Alright, and inside the dealership we have a Centenario Roadster that I have not seen before. This is this blue Cepheus with the darker blue side blade. I think this is the last Roadster that was ever produced, so that's really, really cool. And to the side of it, we have a brand new Carbon Series P1 added to the list. It's carbon with red accents. I really dig this spec. Let me know what you think. It's for sale. And then this one that we saw last time, that was at McLaren. Then I haven't seen this yet. This is the 570X. I'm not sure whose this one is or if it's for sale still, but I really like the wing and the livery. Very nice job. Surprisingly enough, we have the new Lamborghini Urus here. We did a video on this one a little while ago, but good to see it here in a different state. LM002, La Ferrari. Wasn't expecting to see one of these today. Sitting right next to the brand new Ford GT Heritage Edition. Dang, this is pretty freaking cool. And I think this is the only show where a Veyron gets a little to no, like, hype. It's just chilling here with nobody around it. Parks next to the SLR 722S. I don't think I've seen this Veyron yet. But now, checking them off the list, we got a whole bunch of cool stuff here today. That kid is sick on the Huracan. Some SV Roadsters. Beautiful, beautiful day. Twin Turbo Huracan.
He has that white wire roadster that we stick the
Oh, for real?
Yeah, that's his. He's gonna let me shoot it pretty soon. Just come out for that.
For sure. Look how cool this man is. Just pulling right in.
What car is that?
That's a Spiker. We only have like one of those in Texas. Yeah.
It's so quick.
And he's out of here.
Sorry. Shit, I still
wanted to point out, check out the paint on this SV Roadster. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like sparkling in the sunlight. This is a really, really nice spec.
That guy with the SV Chalet real quick. They're inside. I don't want to. They're talking to the sales guy. I don't want to get in their business. Just
That's the one we had. Look at the Aventador on the trailer over there. That's so sick. I love these cars.
Newport DTs are so nice. I'm gonna go look.
All right, we are out of the Lamborghini Newport Beach show. That was pretty sick. A lot of cool cars there. LaFerrari, Ford GT, Bugatti Veyron, Centenario, Carbon Series P1. But the car we really care about here in my heart is the 4Runner, baby. We're back. We got the keys to the whip. We're gonna hop in, head up to Beverly Hills and show Andrew what LA is all about. Maybe buy some shoes, maybe get a hooker or something, who knows.
I love hookers.
But here we go, listen to the beast start up.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And we're off, baby. You already know we had to do it to him. First food vlog of this trip is literally gonna be the same one as all our other trips. In and out, baby. All right, now we have wound up at, I guess it's McLaren, Bentley, and Bugatti now of Beverly Hills. We're gonna check out their inventory, see if they have anything special. I think they have two pretty special things, so we'll just have to see right around this corner. Well, this I did not know was here. This is not the demo car that we have seen a few times. This is blue carbon with a red interior. Not the Chiron Sport that I thought was here, but this is quite a pleasant surprise nonetheless. I think it's like 10 Chirons now, 9 Chirons. There's one bad thing though. All good things must come to an end. With the US spec bumpers. Oh well, still a Chiron, it's freaking sick. Well, this isn't the Chiron Sport either, but I guess 2 Chirons is better than 1 Chiron Sport. This one does not have the US bumpers, so huge thumbs up here. It is black carbon on black carbon. That might be kind of matte, I don't know. Very interesting. And then we got the underside of the wing is red. I thought this was the Chiron Sport first time I saw it. It's got the red stitching on the seat, Chiron. Ooh, black and red. Red brake calipers. Very mean spec indeed. Andrew's over there sitting in the Bugatti chairs. How do you like them? Comfortable? Comfortable. All right, well, 2 Chirons under the belt for today. I don't know what else could top this, but let's get on with it.
You find your team. No matter where you go, Vons and Albertsons can help get you there with savings.
8C Spider, holy shit.
Maximum gas reward at participating Chevron or Texaco stations is 20 cents per gallon and $1 per gallon at Vons stations in a single bill up to 25 gallons.
Yeah.
Other restrictions and exclusions apply. For complete details, go to vonsoralbertsons.com/rewards. Remember me?
You want me to zoom in on it?
Stop and I'll try to get up next to it.
Stop the recording?
Yeah, right at the Beverly Wilshire, we got a Kia Stinger GT out front. That's not even in the valet. Then we got a 488, and in the back there you can see there's a 12C. Nothing super important, worked in a very illegal school, so I'm gonna go get back. Very nice color on this BMW. It's orange. Look at this Aventador S, guys. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's right there. It's like neon yellow. That's nuts.
Rice Kim question mark? It's not a Hellcat.
Alright, that was a little bit of the fun we had on Rodeo. Andrew got to see it for the first time. What'd you think about it?
Pretty fuego. Lots of stuff that I can't afford.
Very true, very true. The Ventador S was sick. But right now we're gonna hop in the 4Runner once again, head back down to Newport Beach for the evening, where it's gonna be a little bit cooler, and maybe see some more cars roaming around. My friend said there's a P1 out, Carrera GT, and there's a 918. So hopefully we can see those, but if we don't, maybe we'll see something else later. Alright, ladies and gents, we are in Newport Beach now, out for an evening of car spotting. I've seen pictures of this P1 all day long and just driving around. So if we get lucky, we'll see him. Fingers crossed. Pray for me! These guys are riding around on jet skis. Spencer, is that you? Spencer, I love you. We got a basic red 488 and a Huracan that looks pretty nice, like matte white.
Very nice, very nice.
Got a 488's very nice, sitting in the Crystal Cove parking lot. Me and Andrew are tired of driving around, but we're gonna go get some payway.
Payway! Beauty to a red light, perfect.
See ya, nerd. Check this out. That's beautiful. It's a Mansory G-Wagon. Damn. I have died and gone to heaven, ladies and gentlemen. What is this? Jesus Christ. We got one Aventador. We got a Murcielago Roadster, which are really, really rare. And we got this Aventador with a sick body kit on it with a big old wing in the back. What rims are these? Anarchy wheels. My God, and look at this beautiful, beautiful big ass wing. Ooh, baby. Your Highness. Ferrari of Atlanta? My God. This is absolutely crazy. What is this? What was going through the guy's head when they had this? Is this paint or a wrap, Andrew? What do you think?
I'd say
Good Lord.
wrap.
I have to say a wrap too, but I'm not sure. The brake calipers are green. Oh yeah, that's wrap for sure. You can see it on the edge right there. But Jesus, this is a bold spec if I do say so myself. And we saw another Murcielago Roadster on the other side of the valet. So let's go check that out right now. My God, this is so great. Demon, or Hellcat. What? It's a Hellcat, but it has the demon fender flare things. I don't get it.
No entiendo.
Oh, Huracan going through the trees. This is sick.
Is that the turbo whistle?
Orange G-Wagon, what the heck? That's a pretty nice color. Here's the second Murcielago Roadster in the little string of valets. This one with some interesting rims. With an orange interior. Wow, it's an automatic, which kind of sucks, but what can you say? These things are a dime a dozen. They're rare AF. I've only seen 2 of these in Houston at all, so. And then there's 2 in this freaking parking lot. I dig it, I dig it. Would you whip, Andrew?
I would whip.
10 of 10?
10 of 10. Look at these orange accents.
Look at them.
Look at them.
We got a one on an Italian car. I don't think that is an Italian car. And then way in the back, right there, that's a Huracan. Let's go see it. There she blows. I think we.
3 Italian car.
A 3 Italian cars. I think we know this guy. He's got a hot wife.
Or the Ferrari California and the LaFerrari.
New Tesla.
What's up, guys? Sinclair Photos there, and we are on our way back from a good, successful day of car spotting. We saw many Teslas, many Lamborghinis, and a crap ton of Ferraris, wouldn't you say?
I would say so.
We also saw some very nice rare cars, like that Murcielago Roadster. Two of them in the same parking lot. What else do you have to add, Mr. Sinclair?
Let me know if you like the video. Tomorrow's video is going to be even better, but that will probably come before this. So who knows how this is going to go. All I gotta say is if you haven't watched the Cars and Copter video, make sure you do that, because that one's going to be a banger. But until then, this is Sinclair Photos.
This is Snuff God.
If you liked the video, leave a like.
Subscribe if you're new.
And I'll see you
in the next video.